her temperament has changed. When I joined the TMC, that time she is very available to us and she is very lovable to us. Maybe her power has changed her. Didi, she is a fighter. She is a one of the most popular or one of the most intelligent politician in India. But if after defeat, if she don't discuss about the reason of defeat, so how do she loves her party? If her priority is a party, she should change her mentality. What about corruption? This is a main thing. Young generation, I think they don't support us. They don't like us. I believe Abhishek is a young and smart, intelligent guy, and he has potential. But I don't support his lifestyle. Mamta Banerjee gave everything, every decision to for Abhishek Banerjee. I think it's wrong because Mamta Banerjee fully depends on Abhishek Banerjee. Abhishek Banerjee fully depend of IPAC. I don't know exact number because after I signed that time, after that many MPs are signed. That's why I don't know exact figure, but we have that magic figure. रात को मैं सोच रहे थे हार गए, दीदी और चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं है, मेरा पार्टी पावर में नहीं, ऐसा सोच रहे थे अभी भी मुझे बिलीव नहीं होता। ये सिर्फ आप एसआईआर ये सब मत सोचिए। जब एरिया में कोई लीडर को बार बार इंसल्ट होने लगे तो उनको अंदर ये फीलिंग आया, इलेक्शन आने दो, हम लोग भी दिखाएंगे इलेक्शन किसको बोलते हैं।
Hello and welcome to HT's weekly talk show, The Interview. Didi badal gayi hai. Mamta Banerjee has become Dhritarashtra. She does not love the party anymore. These are voices from the rebel camp. Pitch this against what Banerjee's supporters are saying, and I quote, "Thrash these traitors with shoes. It is the rats leaving the ship," and so on and so forth. Clearly, the battle lines are drawn. Those who swore by Mamta Banerjee when she was in power are now deserting her. Resignations are piling up. Mamta Banerjee is out in the cold, let down by her very own. Today, her party, the TMC, is staring at a split. What went wrong? How did Didi become Dhritarashtra? And why is the party falling apart? The Trinamool Congress that Mamta Banerjee created with her sweat and blood, and one that she built brick by brick. We have with us Shatabdi Roy, a four-time member of parliament, to take us through this and much more. Shatabdi Roy recently resigned from the TMC. She is believed to have played a key role in the rebel camp. Shatabdi Roy is our guest in this edition of HT's weekly talk show, The Interview. Welcome to the show, Shatabdi Roy, and thank you for being here with us.
Thank you, Kumkumji.
Let me begin by one of your quotes. Didi badal gayi hai is what you said about Mamta Banerjee. Just explain this to me.
Her temperament has changed. When I joined the TMC, that was 2009. That time she is very available to us and she is very lovable to us. Maybe her power, maybe her work loads has changed her, but it's right to say she has changed a lot.
You also said she has become Dhritarashtra.
If you don't want to see anything, if you know about whatever has happened in your around you, if you don't want to listen anything, then it's called Dhritarashtra. That's why I say.
Let me quote you yet again. She does not love the party. Seriously, someone who built the party with her sweat and blood does not love the party anymore?
That's why I said, because Didi, she is a fighter. She is a one of the most popular or one of the most intelligent politician in India. But if after defeat, if she don't discuss about the reason of defeat, so how do you say she loves her party? After fourth, when she called us after 10 or 20, 12 days, I was expecting she should ask why we defeat. What is the reason? It should be analysis that time, but she don't allow to speak anyone, and she also don't discuss about this. If you don't know why your TRP has gone down, then how do you improve the your TRP, or our party will win again, or what is the exact problem? She don't want to discuss.
I like the use of the word TRP.
Yes, exactly. I respect her, I love her a lot. If her priority is a party, she should change her mentality, change her, and she should flexible about her decision.
You know, I take your point about her not discussing the reasons of the party's defeat. But I think in her mind, it was that the BJP defeated her, the BJP played foul, and the SIR exercise was the final blow. What would you say to the SIR exercise, and how did it impact the TMC, and was it advantage BJP?
Okay, if I accept your data, what about corruption? Can you ask the same question of the public of the West Bengal? They are voted against us. This is a main thing. And other thing also, if you are defeat someone, if you are defeat some party, then 10, 100 points are there. But one is the important thing, sir, corruption.
But you know, corruption did not happen overnight. She did win the last two elections. So it is not a phenomena which just struck all of you now. It has been there. So why was it not then taken up in the past? And why is it that despite the corruption, the alleged corruption, she continued to win?
समटाइम्स इट्स अ जो इस बार तो से ठीक हो जाएगा। अच्छा ये भी शायद गलत है, ये भी अपोज़िशन बोल रहे हैं। अच्छा ये भी टाइम तो देते हैं ना, फैमिली में अगर डिवोर्स भी होते हैं तो हस्बैंड को आप टाइम देते हैं, रिलेशन बिल्ड अप करने के लिए। ऐसा नहीं एक ही दिन में आप रिवोल्ट कर रहे हो। यू हैव टू गेट गिव टाइम टू अदर पर्सन। Young generation, I think they don't support us. They don't like us. It's a very important thing.
You say that young voters do not like you. If I were to take that point, I would probably contradict it and say, but Abhishek Banerjee was a kind of the young face. And I know if I use the word youth icon, you will contradict it. So, didn't that help? And the fact also remains that he did help the party win elections in the past, whatever his sins may be. So, when you say the young did not, didn't Abhishek Banerjee fill that gap?
I believe Abhishek is a young and smart, intelligent guy, and he has potential. Whatever he took decision for this election, I think it's right, because you have to take decision anywhere. Sometimes it's wrong, sometimes it's right. Last election, we win for the Abhishek decision, and we postering that man of the match. I agreed and I support Abhishek Banerjee, but I don't support his lifestyle, because Mamta Banerjee, her USP is her simplicity, and she is available for everyone, and everyone loves Didi. Feel she's she's own Didi, and I think that that feeling and that is missing with that Abhishek Banerjee. Our cadre, our leaders, all are fed up of this system. It's a up and down, 100 and 0. But I believe if Mamta Banerjee's experience and Abhishek's new innovative ideas joined together, it will be a very good combination. But unfortunately, it was not.
Yes, why is that? Because Mamata Banerjee's experience was there and Abhishek's innovative ideas were there. So, why did that formula fail?
Because of Mamta Banerjee gave everything, every decision to Abhishek Banerjee. I think it's a wrong, because Mamta Banerjee fully depends on Abhishek Banerjee. Abhishek Banerjee fully depend of IPAC. IPAC means Pratik Jain's IPAC, not Prashant Kishore IPAC. I believe Prashant Kishore is a totally political, intelligent guy, and Pratik Jain is a businessman. It's a difference between Pratik Jain and IPAC and Prashant Kishore IPAC. When Prashant Kishore was in IPAC and with us, that result became a positive. And now it's an IPAC, I think, mislead and misguided Abhishek Banerjee.
Back to Didi, were she to make amends, would you have a change in mind or is it a point of no return for you and some of the others who have actually now left her? And I would use the word deserted.
I think it's too late to go back to Didi.
There is also a lot of confusion and claims and counterclaims about the actual numbers of the rebel group, if I may use the term. You know, while the rebel camp is claiming 20 plus MPs, what is the truth? What is the real number?
How many MPs you needed? Two-third? 28 means 19. Is it a number? Okay, we have that. I don't know exact number, because after I signed that time, after that many MPs are signed. That's why I don't know exact figure, but we have that magic figure.
But you know, the names are not coming out. And as I said, there are claims and counterclaims about that magic figure.
We know that exact what how many people are signed, how many members are there. Our MPs who are not with us, they are guessing and they are trying to confuse everyone, but it's not true.
So, what is the truth?
We have magic figure.
So, what are the options? One, that the TMC and this rebel group, which has the numbers, the magic figure, like you say, would sit as a separate block. The other, that they would join the BJP. These are the two scenarios emerging. And to me, the second one is more probable. What would you say?
No, we are in a separate block. It's like a symbol of protest. We are not with the TMC. We TMC means this group. We are the separate group, and we want separate block in the house.
The possibility of this block joining the BJP?
I don't think right now I can't say anything. This is this time we decided this. Time will say.
Let me ask you a blunt question. You are seen, and allow me to use this term, as the chief disruptor along with Kakoli Dasidar Ghosh. What has been your role in breaking up the TMC?
मैंने जब जब डिसाइड किया, जिस दिन मतलब जिस दिन मैंने बोला, जो इलेक्शन के बाद जिस दिन बुलाया, उसी दिन मैंने डिसाइड किया जी नहीं और नहीं। बिलीव मी, मैं जो बोलती हूँ सच बोलती हूँ। ऐसा मेरा पॉलिटिशियन एज़ ए पॉलिटिशियन मैं पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करती हूँ। लेकिन मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जब भी मैं अगर बोलती हूँ हाँ, मैंने पहले अभी डिसाइड नहीं किया था। रात को मैं सोच रहे थे हार गए, दीदी और चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं है, मेरा पार्टी पावर में नहीं, ऐसा सोच रहे थे अभी भी मुझे बिलीव नहीं होता। आई हार्ड टू बिलीव इट। बट मुझे लगते थे जिस दिन वो मीटिंग के बाद मुझे घर में आके लगा नहीं और नहीं, क्योंकि इसका चेंज होने का कोई मतलब ये फील ही नहीं कर रहे, चेंज होने का रास्ता ही नहीं ले रहे। उसी दिन मैंने डिसाइड किया, इसलिए मुझे पता है मैं क्या किया, बाकी किसी को पता नहीं।
Okay, you have played it down, but let me ask you about the SIR exercise. How much did that damage the TMC and how much was it advantage BJP?
बहुत सारे नाम कट गए थे, बहुत सारे नाम जोड़े भी है। जो लोग सिटीजन है उनका रखना भी जरूरी था, और जो भी सिटीजन नहीं है तो अभी तो जा रहे हो वापस। तो भी देश के लिए जो अच्छा होगा वही।
पर एसआईआर की वजह से डू यू थिंक टीएमसी को डैमेज हुआ? और ये जो नंबर्स आए हैं, जैसे आपने कहा कि हम हार गए, दीदी चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं रही, ये सब इसमें एसआईआर एक्सरसाइज का कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन है?
हाँ है, एसआईआर में जितना नाम निकल गए उसमें तो हुआ है।
अगर एसआईआर नहीं होता तो टीएमसी वुड हैव वन?
I'm not sure about it because of, I have to repeat that word, corruption and overconfidence of our party. जो भी कर ले, they are with us. पुराने जितने लोग टीएमसी के साथ जुड़े थे उनको निकालना, निकालना मीन्स पावरलेस करके. That is the reason. If you ask me, our many leaders are there who knows everything about their areas. He or she is a 20 years, 25 years with the Mamata Banerjee only for love, only for affection, only for emotion. When he is a 70 years old person, 20 years from JNU pass out student, she or he told him how to run the party, how to behave with the public, how to doing election. It's a insulting for them. क्या हुआ, वो लोग सोचे चलो इलेक्शन आने दो, हम लोग भी समझा देंगे हम लोग हैं कि वो लोग हैं। ये सिर्फ आप एसआईआर ये सब मत सोचिए। जब एरिया में कोई लीडर को बार बार इंसल्ट होने लगे, जो यूपी बिहार मध्य प्रदेश से आके जो जिसको शी और ही डोंट नो अबाउट द बंगाल, वो आके उसको थ्रेट दे रहे, जो 40 साल से पार्टी कर रहे, तो उनको अंदर ये फीलिंग आया इलेक्शन आने दो, हम लोग भी दिखाएंगे इलेक्शन किसको बोलते हैं। ये भी एक रीजन है, ये इंटरनल रीजन। डोंट थिंक अबाउट ओनली एसआईआर, ओनली आरजीकर, ओनली करप्शन। मेनली आई बिलीव जो लोग एक्चुअल दीदी के साथ प्यार से जुड़े थे वो उसको प्यार खत्म कर दिया पार्टी ने। अगर आप कभी किसी के साथ काम करेंगे पैसा लेके, स्टाफ होंगे, आपका प्यार अलग होगा, और जो आपसे पैसा नहीं लेके प्यार से काम कर उसका प्यार अलग होगा, काम भी अलग होगा। ये दो डिफरेंस हो गया वेस्ट बंगाल में।
यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द आईपैक।
Yes, yes. Maximum leaders has offended about IPAC. Maximum.
दीदी ने देखना बंद कर दिया is what you said, and that is why you called her धृतराष्ट्र. Would you also say कि दीदी ने सुनना भी बंद कर दिया था?
देखना सुनना एक ही साथ है, पास पास है। अगर आप देखेंगे तो ही आप सुन पाएंगे, और आप सुनेंगे तभी आप देख पाएंगे, है ना। तो जब कोई आके दीदी को बोलते थे दीदी ये हो रहा है, दीदी वो हो रहा है, कोई दिखाते कोई बताते, तो दोनों में अगर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ, दोनों को अगर इग्नोर किए आपने, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है। आई गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल। बिफोर इलेक्शन I want to speak Didi because I have some problem in my constituency. Who is a right person, who is the wrong, who is a play double game. Everything I know because of 17 years I am there. But I call her and ask, give me a time, I want to meet. Her OSD call me up and ask me for time. Yes. What is your subject? What is my subject? I have to tell him, and then did they allow me to speak? I am a full-time MP. Is it right?
So you felt slighted, you were hurt.
It's not hard. It's not hard because of maybe and most probably our Bivum. If Mamata Banerjee take my suggestion or my information, maybe Birbhum का रिजल्ट अलग होता, मे बी बिरबुल का ये रिजल्ट नहीं होता, ये मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ।
But tell me, this happened, this access problem and her not being available has been there for a while. If the TMC had won, if she had become chief minister yet again, would you have buried all this? Or would you have still raised a banner of revolt?
I don't know that time, but रिवोल्ट तो करते शायद सिचुएशन टाइम बता देते क्या करते, लेकिन इस टाइम मैंने आप पूछे इसलिए मैं सोच रही हूँ, उस टाइम मैंने सोचा भी नहीं क्या होता। मे बी यस मे बी नो, बट पता नहीं उस टाइम क्या होता।
Because ये जो रिबेल कैंप का क्रिएशन है और लोगों का एक-एक करके छोड़ना है, it is being seen more as opportunism. And the timing is what is in question.
Just tell me one thing. If we are 28, if 2 or 3% become a rebel, you can say you are a Gaddar. You can say second one is a one washing machine. You can ask third one, she's a opportunist. 3%, 4%. But when yes, it's a 20, that means क्या चाहते हैं लोग? तो इसका मतलब है 20 लोग एक ही साथ 20 we are not a relative, we are not a cousin, we are not a father mother brother, we are not a same family, we have came from different families. When everyone is the same boat, that means there should be a problem. आप ये बताए ना, अगर 8 आ जाते तो फिर आप बोलते थे ये कम है, ये लोग तो हो सकते, ये गद्दारी है नहीं, क्योंकि इतने लोग एक साथ कैसे आ जाते? रीजन सेम है। और एक बात बताती हूँ, हर इंसान अपॉर्चुनिस्ट नहीं होते, हर इंसान गद्दार नहीं होते, और जो हम लोग जिस सिचुएशन में है, जब तक जो लोग गद्दार बोलते हैं, जो अपॉर्चुनिस्ट बोलते हैं, वो लोग जब इस सिचुएशन में नहीं आएंगे, अगर होते तो इससे भी ज्यादा डिसीजन लेते। उनका अभी भी पार्टी के साथ फीलिंग से जुड़े हुए हैं, इमोशन से। आई लव ममता बनर्जी, आई am emotionally attached with her. I was, I am, and I will be. I am totally, मेरा, I am not confused. I took a right decision, but emotionally, I am very sad about this. When I took decision, I am not anymore with Mamta Banerjee, and seriously, I am upset. Till now, I am upset, and I think after 10 years or so, I will say same thing to you.
I take that point and I take the emotional connect. However, in case, because there was one formula which was that let her be our advisor and let her dump Abhishek Banerjee. Is that formula acceptable given your emotional connect?
No, I don't say dump Abhishek because of she is also emotionally attached with Abhishek. But if she think about the TMC and think about every leaders of the party, then she should rethink about whatever we want. We means not Shatabdi Roy. Whatever party wants, party cadres want, party leaders wants. जो रिवोल्ट कर रहे हैं, वो क्यों किया, उसको वापस मत लो, लेकिन क्यों किया एक बार सोचना चाहिए, बहुत जरूरी।
If she rethinks, would you or some of you also rethink?
Right now, I don't think so. It's too late. If she had called me before this, when I took decision, maybe it's a different way to convey my problem, and maybe others things could be happen. But right now, I don't think it's a right thing for her and for me also.
You spoke about numbers and you said 2 या 4 नहीं है पर 20 है. Now that is a strategy, a political strategy, because had it been 3-4 log, then obviously the anti-defection law would have come into play. So you needed that number for the breakaway. And probably efforts were made to get the others on board. So this argument of we are 20 and that is why, it is not 1, 2, 3, 4, somehow falls flat.
ओके, जब आप एक हस्बैंड वाइफ होते, अब एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर होते, आप क्या बिलीव करते कि दोनों में बहुत प्यार था, तीन ऐसे आ गए? नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं वो वैक्यूम, कहीं ना कहीं दोनों में इतना प्यार नहीं थे जो तीन थर्ड पर्सन आ सकते। तो ऐसा ही कभी इसमें ऐसा नहीं है जो ये लोग कोई भी फेड ऑफ नहीं थे पार्टी से, कोई भी इनका प्रॉब्लम नहीं थे, लेकिन थर्ड पर्सन आके के उसको उठा के ले गया, उसको डिवोर्स करा दिया, ये पॉसिबल है। सब में कहीं ना कहीं वैक्यूम था, कहीं ना कोई कमी था, जिसलिए ये एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर हो ही गया।
Exactly. A senior leader has said Operation Lotus is behind the rebellion. Would you agree with this?
थर्ड पर्सन तभी आ सकते हैं जब उस दोनों में सही नहीं चल रहा है। ये मैंने उसी का एग्जांपल मैंने दिया। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है थर्ड पर्सन है।
What about the allegation that Operation Lotus or the BJP is behind this?
They are in that group now. We are in this group now. So we have to justify our problem, our decision, and they has to justify their decision. They said, no, we are praising Mamata Banerjee before that, and now we are opposite. It's right, but that is also correct. They are giving gali to Mamata Banerjee before, now they are praising. अगर वो बोल रहे हैं कि हम लोग ममता बनर्जी को पहले प्रेस करते थे, अभी हम लोग अपोजिट बोल रहे हैं। सही है, अभी भी मैं तो अभी भी प्रेस कर रही हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी चलो ये अगर मान लिया हम लोग ममता बनर्जी को अच्छे बोलते थे, अभी नहीं बोल रहे, लेकिन वो लोग पहले अच्छे नहीं बोलते थे, अभी वो लोग अच्छे बोल रहे, ये भी तो ऐसे ही। I always praise Mamata Banerjee, and I think till my death I praise her because she is I believe number one politician in West Bengal, and she is a very popular. She is a good human being, and she is very close to me once upon a time.
Another thing which her supporters are now saying, and I would want you to react, thrash these traitors with shoes.
Many of party supporters, they support us because of the greed which we are say that we are facing. It's a normal thing. अगर आप चेंज करोगे तो ये सब बोलेंगे, ये सब बोलते रहेंगे, और जिसको कुछ पता भी नहीं वो भी बोलेंगे।
You know, it's ironic that the women vote, which was solidly behind Mamata Banerjee,
Yes.
women MPs, many of you who were created by her politically, both those strong pillars are now not with her. What would you say to that?
It's a sad for her and for us also. Kakulidi, she has 40 years experience with the Mamata Banerjee. She is here. I am 70 years experience of Mamata Banerjee. I am here. And some people are 1 years, 2 years experience with her. They are also here. Just think about that. Arup Chakraborty, he was a senior politician and senior leader of our party. He is also with us.
How much do you think the RG rape case played a role? And was it, in your view, the final nail in the coffin?
Most probably. Because every point 1, 2, 3, 4 points are together, and लोगों का patience खत्म हो गया था. Most probably it's one of the biggest reason for this disaster.
Would you see that also as one of the reasons why women turned against her?
That time women's vote are with us. This time it's not. This time they are not fully, they are not.
But the Lokhi Bandar and the women welfare schemes were ongoing.
But that time they get 1500 and BJP announced for 3000. It's double. I think that is also a point.
So, while on the BJP, what do you attribute their victory to? Is it their governance model? Was it Prime Minister Modi's charisma? Or was it TMC's own follies?
Everything. TMC's own follies, Modi ji's charisma, and West Bengal people are need wants change. Day one, double engine Sarkar. Modi's charisma also intact in West Bengal.
You know, you belong to the film industry and have had a long experience and a long innings there. So let me ask you that during the Mamta rule, there was unhappiness in the industry. Also, there were allegations that people close to Mamta Banerjee were calling the shots. In fact, going as far as deciding who would get which role. And all this was dependent on the cut money.
I don't know that, but I can tell you one thing. First of all, I don't support politics in a film industry. It's a creative world and it's a different world. Don't do it. Second one, when I came to politics, and that time our party was not in power, and that time Taposh Paul and myself of one first we came to Trinamool Congress, and we are the first member of parliament. We are both are from the film industry, but till 17 years we don't have any position, and Didi don't discuss anything with us. Just think about that. I know film industry very well. I have done as a heroine 300 films. I know the industry. I know the system of industry. But no, I'm never allowed to speak anything about film. It's a sad thing.
So for 17 years, you did nothing and you said nothing?
Nothing, 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 nothing. मैं एक बात भी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में नहीं करती थी क्योंकि मुझे ये लगते थे मैं इंडस्ट्री से आई हूँ, फिर मुझे इंडस्ट्री का कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं दिया, मुझे कोई पावर दिया नहीं, मुझे कभी भी नहीं बोला शताब्दी तुम जाओ जाके ये करो ये सॉल्व करो, कभी नहीं बोले।
तो अगर आपने 17 साल सफर किया, suffered
हाँ।
in silence, so why now? You should have continued suffering.
नो नो नो, कब तक? एक तो टाइम होता है, एक इनफ होता है।
So कब तक? जब तक पार्टी जीत रही थी, all was fine. जब पार्टी हार गई, तो ये सब skeletons in the cupboard निकलने लगे।
ये होता है, ये नॉर्मल प्रोसेस। जब तक आप बोलोगे कुछ सजेशन दोगे, आप मेरा सजेशन नहीं लोगे, फिर भी आप सक्सेस हो जाएंगे, तो मैं पीछे आ जाऊंगी, शायद मैं गलत थी आप सही हो। जब मेरा सजेशन नहीं लिया और आप हार गए तब तो मैं बोलूंगी, ये तो ऑब्वियस है, ये तो ह्यूमन नेचर है, ये रूल्स है, ये लॉजिक है। जब तक आप अपने डिसीजन में चल रहे हो, मेरा मुझे इग्नोर कर रहे हो, लेकिन आप जीत रहे हो या आप सक्सेस हो रहे हो, मुझे कॉर्नर होना है कि चलो आप सही हो, मैं गलत है। लेकिन जब तक तुम बोलते रहोगे बोलते रहोगे बोलते रहोगे, आप नहीं लोगे, जब आप हारोगे तब तो बोलना ही है, "चे, मैंने बोला था आप क्यों नहीं सुना?" तभी तो बात करने का टाइम है। और अगर आप बोल रहे हो जीतने का टाइम, तब सुनेंगे, अभी हारने का टाइम भी नहीं सुन रहे, तब भी मैंने बोला। और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को कौन रूल कर रहे थे? दो पॉलिटिकल लीडर, एक मिनिस्टर और उनका भाई। और सिर्फ देखिए बीजेपी जीतने के बाद जो तीन चारों को फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिया है, वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से ही है, वो इसी फील्ड से ही है।
Point well taken. I will wrap up on 2 points. One, the way forward and what next for all of you. And the other about the rumor of Mamta Banerjee being offered by Sonia Gandhi the post of the Congress Vice President and merging the TMC with the Congress. So let's take the Congress bit first.
I don't know what is the exact position, but I think Mamata Banerjee now, if she merge or supported by Congress, then it will better, because without Congress, right now she can't do anything. But it is also true, she is our boss. She is a boss, and her nature and her leadership, she can't be a second man of any other party. I believe that. Maybe I am wrong, but I think her nature and her attitude and her leadership can't be dominated by any other party or any other person.
But you feel for her it is a good way out, a good solution?
Otherwise, you don't have any option. Only Congress is the option for the Mamata Banerjee. And I think it's a good suggestion or good thing if she join Sonia Gandhi with the Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi.
So, finally, what next for all of you and what is the way forward?
I don't know exactly right now, but we are a different block. I know that. After that, time will say, let wait, and we are also hoping we'll do better thing and we will take better decision.
On that note, Shatabdi Roy, I wish all of you all the best and thank you very much for your time and thank you for being here with us.
Thank you.